Imagine this, it's just past midnight on June 6, 1944. The coast of Normandy is quiet, cloaked in darkness. But, in a German radar bunker, one man's world is about to be turned upside down. This is the incredible true story of the first German soldier to see the D-Day invasion unfold. His name was Lieutenant Ludwig Tempeler, and he was in charge of a Freya radar station near Cherbourg. On this particular night, something strange appeared on his screen. A massive, inexplicable blob, larger than anything he had ever seen before. It was a ghost signal, a blip so enormous it defied all logic and training. He checked his equipment, thinking it must be a malfunction, a weather phenomenon, or even a flock of birds. But the signal was steady, and it was moving, slowly, relentlessly, towards the shores of France. Tempeler knew this was no ordinary blip. He had a chilling realization. He was looking at the Allied invasion fleet. Thousands of ships, an entire armada, were crossing the English Channel under the cover of darkness. He immediately grabbed the phone and tried to alert his superiors. He reported a massive naval formation, a fleet of unprecedented size. But his warnings were met with disbelief and skepticism. His commanders, lulled into a false sense of security by bad weather reports and a complex Allied deception campaign, dismissed his frantic calls. They thought it was impossible, a technical glitch, or at best, a diversion. Meanwhile, the sky began to fill with the drone of thousands of aircraft. Paratroopers from the 82nd and 101st Airborne Divisions were dropping behind enemy lines, sowing chaos and securing key objectives. For Tempeler and his men, the sounds of battle were now drawing closer. The abstract blip on his radar screen was becoming a terrifying reality. As dawn broke, the sheer scale of the invasion became undeniable. The horizon was no longer empty. It was filled with ships, an unbroken line stretching as far as the eye could see. The largest amphibious invasion in human history had begun, and Lieutenant Tempeler was one of the very first to witness it. Think about the weight of that moment. You see the inevitable coming, you sound the alarm, but no one listens. You are a lone voice trying to warn of a tsunami, only to be told it's just a big wave. Tempeler's report was logged, but by the time the German High Command truly understood what was happening, it was too late. The Allied forces had established a beachhead, and the beginning of the end for the Third Reich in Western Europe had commenced. Tempeler's story is a fascinating and often overlooked footnote in the epic saga of D-Day. It's a powerful reminder of how a single moment, a single observation, can hold the key to history, and how sometimes the most crucial warnings can be lost in the fog of war. He saw it all coming, but was powerless to stop it. A lone German soldier, staring at a radar screen, watching history's greatest invasion force appear out of the darkness. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this story as incredible as I did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more hidden histories. Let me know in the comments what other historical events you'd like to see covered. See you next time.